Back again, guys. E90 content. Today we are going to get rid of the stock halo bulbs and then put in some LEDs. I typically wouldn't do this, but one of them is working, one of them's not. So driver's side's working good, passenger side is not, so they don't look the same, and I hate that. I tried to, if you saw the headlight swap video, I tried to clean it up. Figured maybe it was a contacts or something, but it wasn't. So it's the bulb going out. So I picked up some LED ones. Link will be in the description below. And these guys are off of Amazon. I can't remember what I paid for them, maybe 25 bucks. But these are 7000K. They say they're white LEDs. They're going to replace those halogens. So we got to take the headlights out, unfortunately. There's not enough room in the back to... There's a little access panel there. You can't get in there for nothing. So we're gonna take the headlight out, which is not fun because you got to take the bumper cover off. I've gotten pretty good at this bumper cover though. If you haven't seen the headlight swap video, it's pretty straightforward. You got, well, I had to use these two somewhere else, but you got 4 Torx there, and then a series of 8 mils, a couple there, a few on the bottom, a couple there again, and then once we get the bumper cover off, oh yeah, your headlight squirters. I just disabled those, but you gotta take the covers off there, and then you've got a couple of mounting points for the headlight. 5. Boom, 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 boom. Let's get them off. So now that the housing's out, we gotta get this housing off of here, and this is where the bulbs are actually at. So you got 2 tabs. Sometimes you need to use 2 screwdrivers. Get one on the bottom, get that one loose. Sometimes you don't. There it is, guys. This is the old bulb. So you got a couple of little tiny Torx under there. And then your connectors at the end. Pop those off. And then you will not need this insert with the LEDs as well. That should just slide right out. Yep, just like that. So now you can see in there, those are your angel eyes right there. So it just shines through the plastic tube. That's all the LED does, or the light. So the new one should come with new hardware. Let's check it out. Nope. So reuse the screws. And then before I even put this in, I want to make sure I got these leads correct. Wow. Which gonna have to be tightened up. Woo! Those will slide right off. Yep, I knew that one would break. It's okay. You know, BMWs and brittle plastic. It's weird, it slides back and forth. Alright, let's put these in the car and see if they work. No, I lied. I'm gonna put these in first, and then we'll put them in the car and see if they work, because I guess I lied. I guess you do need that. This piece. Yeah. Well, see, I don't always know what I'm talking about. usually not. Yeah, so the other headlight had this in it when I bought it. So it goes in there like that. But I don't know where the other one is, so I'm gonna have to look for it. Okay, after many moons, I finally found the other one. So yes, I'm gonna take these guys back out. This will put the proper spacing on it. I don't know which way it goes, right? There's no up or down. Got our screws going. Yeah, like I said, might as well assemble this because even if I got the positive and negative wrong, all I gotta do is swap them around, so. And while I'm in here, the headlight bulbs were a different color. Just barely off. So I'm taking the DMX D1 S's out of my other headlights that I had, and then they'll both match. I'm not quite sure what was in them. Well, what's in the other one, I mean. I'm not quite sure. There, fairly simple, straightforward process there. There. Now, I'm gonna put it in, plug it in, turn it on, see what happens. And here goes nothing. Ooh. Oh, man. Yep, I like that. That's perfect. That's so white. That's perfect. All right, I'm gonna finish putting this one back together, get it in, and then I'm gonna do the same thing over there. All right, I am an idiot once again. So I was like, oh no, these don't work. These are the ones that I had in the headlights before. You know what they are? The same thing, just with the metal piece removed. Ugh. So don't, yes, this is all you need. Rip the metal piece out, it just sits right in there, and then you'll have this. Yay, right? Idiot. Headlights are back in. Everything is working. So, yeah, I wanted to try it one more time. I wanted to try the headlights, the high beams, all that good stuff. Now I'm good to put the bumper cover back on, and we'll check these things out. All right, finishing everything up. Let's check these bad girls out. Oh yeah. Man, those look good. Way better. Much better. Look at that. I like it. Yep. That's cool. Now I just got to get them flipped over to DRLs. Let's see how that goes. I did it in Bimmer Code and Pro Tool. I mean I've tried it both ways, but they won't go while I'm driving down the road. I don't know why. Kind of makes me sad, but I'll figure it out. All right, so that's how you do it, guys. Link in the description below. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Later.